Whoa. Yes. 1, 2, Okay, now that I'm in sufficient pain, let's get started.
Hello. Gorgeous.
Hello, Design Champ. I'm your host, Leorio. Thank you for coming back. Today I'm coming at all you cool kids with 2 and a 3rd projects. Here is the agenda for today. We're gonna be talking about and making some changes based on y'all's feedback. Thank you very much for the App Store screens for my map. And then after that, we are starting a brand new logo design project for Alex. More on that later. Thirdly, we're gonna make a new YouTube banner design for our channel, the Awesome Possum Design Champ. Yeah, double snaps for that. Okay, Awesome Possums, let's hop into it. So this boy was by far the winner of which image should go first. So congratulations to all of us. Very good jobs. So we'll make sure that one goes in first place in the App Store. Sir Thunder said didn't like the typography on the images. Oh. Thank you. Vice said you should change the typography in the images for something more vibrant. Okay, here we are on the PSD for me map. I wanted something serif fonty because I actually wanted all of the emphasis to be on the images. I wasn't even concerned really with having font in the beginning, so I wanted something more subtle and like almost there, but not really there. So that's why I went with like these skinny letters, but maybe if we believe that the font is an importance, then okay. Let's see if I can come up with something maybe a little bit more in your face, boy. I was thinking something like Serenity. Everybody seems to like sans serif fonts. Maybe a blue, something like that. All right. They're all Serenity now. Yeah, one comment on the last one, which was very good, very important, is that the black is, a little bit hard to read. We need something more contrasty. So let's grab like the light from this here. I think it's almost about white. It was sunnier when Samantha was here. Okay, we're making that one light blue. I don't know if it's the best. Anyways, here we are. Now we have a blue scheme going on. I don't know. Let me know in the poll right now if the new stuff is better or the old stuff would be better. That brings me to today's question of the Dizzy. This is something I really want to know. What do you guys think is more important, creativity or work ethic? Now, don't just say, oh, well, you gotta have them both. Think about it for a second. Let's say you have to nudge one a little bit more than the other. Creativity or work ethic? Let me know which one is more beneficial for you personally in the comments below. I would very much enjoy reading that. Okay, next project comes to us from Alex, who makes really awesome video essays. I think mostly about movies and games like that. He had a childhood and a growing up where he was in the woods a lot, but now he's all into tech stuff. So he wants something that will merge those two ideas. So what I'm gonna come up with is ideas for logos that could merge those. And I'm actually gonna stop in the sketching phase because I wanna get Alex's feedback a little bit earlier than I do for other projects. Don't ask me why. Let's start on some logo ideas for Alex. Nico Design Champion out. Yay, you made it to the part of the video that has to do with the title. Congratulations. Okay, I've always found that the most original ideas lay between the combination of several different ideas. So in this case, we're going with nature, and on the other side, movies or video games, something tech related. So what I do is I try to combine 2 or 3 different ideas. First, I start with a list of all words or items or objects that fall, or ideas that fall under nature, for example, and then I make a list of things that fall under video games and movies. And then I think, okay, which ones might work well together, and I try to visualize a combination of those. And then I just draw them all out, see if anything sticks. So you could try my method, list method, for the win, maybe. Yeah. So I sketched a bunch, then I redid 5 options just to make them more clear for when I send them to Alex. So let me know in the poll right now which ones you think have the most potential. Thank you very much. App screenshots done. Sketch ideas done. Next up, we got a YouTube banner. I've been going through a little bit of a rebrand, trying to bring a little bit more pink and blue into my life, trying to really show my masculinity. So here's actually an image of my my website that I redid like last week or something. You can see, it's very pink. It's how we roll. But basically, I just want to make everything more cohesive. Oh yeah, and if you see my little YouTube image, it's like pink and blue especially. So, what we are going to do today is make some new banner art that fits more along the lines of the new branding. So first, I got to take a picture of myself, which, oh my gosh, maybe a little bit difficult. And then I'll start on the banner. So catch you when I'm done. So after about 36,000 attempts to take a photo of myself that wasn't horrendous, I don't know, why is it so hard? Anyways, I decided on this one. This might be the best picture I've ever taken of myself. It's not amazing, but it's nice. Okay, and then, all right, so here was my thought process. I wanted to make I wanted to show me and my friends. So, all my friends, are just, I don't know why they're so, I guess they're just classic models. So a lot of times you'll find all my real life friends on stock photo sites. So there's Stock Dog, then there's me, and then there's Richard, and then there's Sun Hat Stu. So I really wanted to get all four of us on the cover of the channel art, but and make it like kind of an action movie. Not really an action movie, more like a movie poster where you have all the actors in front of each other, kind of left and right. But then I thought, nah, that's too many people. Because I didn't want to put the text on top of people, and I also didn't want to make the people too small. So I had to say goodbye to Richard and Sun Hat Stu. Maybe they'll make an appearance later. If I can, I can always call them. We're definitely real life friends, so maybe I can get them to come back for another purpose. But anyways, I got rid of them, just kept me and Stock Dog, and I'm going with this whole blue and pink thing. So I thought it was just getting funner and funner as I added some pink mantas, and I just put making design stuff. Plus other shows. I don't know, man. We gotta come up with some better shows sometime soon. Let's make a design stuff. So I don't know, man. Anyways, this was it. Okay, yes, I finished the banner. I really like it. I don't know though. I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts on it. I think it's kind of funny. I think it fits the bill, I think it works. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Alrighty then. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will absolutely see you guys tomorrow for more making design stuffs if you guys want to come back. I hope you have a really fantastic day full of sunshine and chocolate bars. All right, thanks so much for being here, guys. I will see you later, alligator. I will see you later, alligator, and stay awesome. Possum. Bye, guys.